In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best working Chipotle coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. So first of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Chipotle coupon code. Right here, go to this website which is called Simply Codes. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, right here that you want to get this one with $10 discount. All you need to do right here is just select this button where it says get code. And right here, this is the promo code. You can simply tap on this button to copy the promo code. And you can apply this one in order to get a $10 discount on your next purchase. Also, we have right here this website, which is called Coupon Birds. So as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes as well, and we can use this one to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, right here, that you want to get this $5 discount of burritos and tacos. So right here, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says get code. And here is the promo code right here. You can simply tap on this green button to copy the promo code, and you can apply this promo code on your next purchase so that you can get the $5 discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.